we even want stone tools? Alright. Yeah, well, this has been raided. I'd fucking neck myself, cunt. Oh, is there a guy there? I don't know. Do we need HV pistol ammo? Alright. Yeah, what? Alright. You want a kit? We need charcoal, right? Yeah, he's like shit tons. Worth. Yeah, I got no arrows. Do we have any wood? Right. Oh, it's here. Yeah, all good, mate. All goods. Cheeky explosives. Dude. I'm probably gonna get off in a bit. Yeah, yeah. Alright. Yeah. Look at all these fucking green key cards. You know we can trade those in for scrap. Oh no, it's not bandit camp. Oh, 15 scrap for a key card each. And it's 80 scrap for a red key card. just go through them. Let's just do that. Let's just do that base. I reckon it has garage doors though. What happened to that? Or the cloth? Yeah, there's only 1k now. It used to be like 2k. It was like almost 3k in there. What happened to this fuck? Six doors, 7 doors. Alright. Then we have the silencer. I'm just gonna research that. Alright. Need what? Yeah, we have 25. I swear every other, like, why is high quality a limiting factor this time? I remember when we used to be fucking bathing in the charcoal. I meant the high qual. Yeah. It used to, yeah. Fucking hell, I had this shit all organized, now it's all fucking fucked up. Alright. Cause like, if there's a garage door or some shit, like, it's gonna take so much explosive to get through that. Yes, quite. Can you not do like gambles anymore on like the on that shit? No, on like this. Yeah. That's gay. You said you got fucking road sign killed. Yeah. Still happened. That base down there, the fucking shit. The first one. Well, I mean that's the only one, like, it's the only viable option, isn't it? Alright, fine. I'll go scout. Make sure the meat doesn't burn. Please. Okay, let's try this base like right. It's like a 2x1. Let's go. Let's go through fucking. Yeah. Now we'll go through this top triangle, and then through the front door to see if there's like anything like just fucking. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe it's sheet metal, so looks like a retard designed this, so I don't know if it's got anything. Pathetic. Fucking hell. Don't even like press WASD when you're on my head. Oh, you keep moving me. I'm not moving. Alright, get on my head. Alright, no, I'm not, get on my head. You can do it. Alright. Dude, this wall's backwards. Some retard actually made the space. Might boost us up. Is it decaying? Alright. I reckon we check out and like, from where? From where? What do they have? Do you know what they had? Okay, they have AK. Oh, AKs are fighting semi. AKs down here. Oh fuck. No, no, no! I wanna kill those semi cunts. What'd you have on it? Fuck. They got me. They got me. Just wait. Maybe. Maybe not. I lost my Python. Coming to the landlords. Landlords come. I'll be like, "Hi mate, the council's come and said, you know, limit your water intake. Sorry mate, we're gonna have to evict ya." No, they're. Another fire. Please die. I reckon we not do that, dude. Looks like a shithole. Nah, dude, like. Thrust me, thrust me. Because it looks like a retard designed it. Actually, looks like it has nothing. Please, bro. What a fucking cunt. Yeah, mining outpost? Yeah, bro. Where? You know, if you recycle this, it gives you frags. A shithole that has nothing. Yeah. There's a cunt in here. Yeah. all these are 2x1s. They have nothing. Oh. Oh, this rock. Yeah. I've killed these guys like so many times in the bullet. They're like they've had nothing each time. Yeah, it could just have nothing. The front door's open. Fuck it then. Alright, I'm down to this. I don't know. See the... Fucking hell, I can't even get up here. How'd you get up? This. I can't... Oh. Alright. The honey... Looks like the base is like a 3x3. Yeah, maybe here. Yeah. I reckon these four. Oh no, or these four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, if we went in the top door, it would just lead down to like the second. We'd have to go through another door to get like to the. How many floors is this? There's 1, 2. It's fucking. I think it's 2 floors. But that roof just makes it like a 3rd door. Dude, this front door's already open. Yeah. Oh fuck. No, we could jackhammer from the inside, or I could use spears. Spears. Alright, let's do that. This is it. Fuck it. We'll just wait a bit and come back. Yeah. I don't know if later on we'll like. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, it's a fight then. Should we go off with like just as naked? Alright. I reckon I reckon in the time it takes for us to like get ready and shit, like that'll be like yeah. Alright mate, craft them. Oh. Wait, I thought that give us 2. Look at a wetsuit cunt. Cunt! Nah, fucking chuck him. Just drop him. Just drop him. Just like drop him. Don't. No, they drop behind someone.
Hey bitch, what are you guys doing? What the fuck are you doing, man?
Does he? Oh fuck. Oh! No, I'm going back out with like a DB or some shit. No, no way. Even if he does, I'm going out with a fucking revolver. Please, please. Okay. Hey man, what are you doing, man? Shut the fuck up. If they're gone, I'll fucking kill myself. Yeah, where'd you drop him? Alright, didn't find mine. You should have went behind a rock and just dropped it. Like gone. Oh my god, you deserve to die. We were never naked. Well, I was about to ask to bring like semis over, cunt. Nah, we're farming. Nah. Yeah. Let's go. I'm down, cunt. I don't give a fuck. At least it wasn't all of them. At least I have two. Why did you... Actually, I'm sorry, man. That was fucking -2 IQ right there, John. I meant like in a bush. Haven't you ever seen fucking anything? Like any YouTube video? Oh my god! I wanna fucking kill myself. No, bring something. Bring a weapon. Can't fucking hell. I'm making you a python. Actually, you can take my revolver. For fuck's sake, dude. What was that? I want to kill myself. Alright, let's go to that. Oh, that's the guy, dude. He's just wasting our things. Come on. Wait, no. That's the guy. He's raiding. We can counter him. Oh, I'll be... That's the guy. I'm so happy, come. What are you doing, bro? Fuck up, cunt. Alright, fuck it. Let's just go farm. Yeah, take this. Actually, no, it's fucking mine. Nah, we'll do it fucking whenever. We're going on a farm. Can we even make gunpowder right now? Oh, we cannot even. I can't even make bullets. Alright, give us half of yours. I know it's like 6 or something. Let's go. Alright, which way are we going? I go this way like every time. Yeah. You wanna go in the cave? Or... We don't have, There's a guy here. Oh, he's naked, with like nothing.
Hello.
Hello!
What are you
At the
doing?
back! Yeah, wear that shit instead. There's guys coming. What the fuck? Uh oh, you fucked, John. Just run. Drop all your good shit in like just behind a box or something. What the fuck do we do? Oh my god, can't. Cunt. What the fuck is that? What do we do? We have like 100 frags in our base. we have 100 frags. And that's it, cunt. Oh wait, no. We have 1,000. I'm gonna cycle this shit. Oh, good question, cunt. Oh. Let's just farm. And raid.